So in these videos I'm going to be doing, this is lesson 5 practice. I'm going to be doing numbers 8 and 10 here, and factoring completely. So the first thing we want to do, every time we have any type of factoring, is we always want to start with, is there a greatest common factor between my terms? So in number 8, when we have n squared minus 4n minus 12, is there a number that you can divide away from all three of those terms? A lot of times people think 4, because 4, negative 4 and negative 12, but the problem is that the coefficient of n squared is just 1. So really there's no GCF here. So what we're going to do now is identify what a is, which is 1, b, which is a coefficient of x, negative 4, and c, which is negative 12. We're going to use our factor x's, a times c, so 1 times negative 12 is negative 12. Down the bottom is our b value, which is negative 4. So the question we have to ask ourselves is that what two numbers are going to multiply to negative 12 but add up to 4? So this is kind of like the part where you have to kind of guess and check and go through what you know multiplies to 12 and try to figure out which ones kind of fit that pattern. So two numbers that can multiply to 6 and 4 are, 6, multiply to negative 12 are 6 and 2, but to add the negative 4, that means my 6 must be the negative, because negative 6 times 2 is negative 12, and negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. So because a is equal to 1 in my quadratic, immediately what I can do is bring down my n, and I can put the first factor, negative 6, and then I can do the same for my other factor, plus 2. And now I have my two binomials, n minus 6, n plus 2. This pattern only works when the a value is 1.